Have you dug Wall Drug? I'm Stephanie Allsweet, and this is Snowdome of the Day. Today's Snowdome is a pedestal base featuring a dinosaur and a plaque letting us know that it is from Wall Drug in South Dakota. This Snowdome is a bit of an imposter. It is a replica in plastic of a unique style of dome from Austria. The original domes have a glass globe and a ceramic pedestal base. This globe is made entirely of plastic, and the Wall Drug version is one of the few that depict a souvenir destination. There are not many of this style. I'm guessing there was a cease and desist order because it infringed on an original design. Looking inside the dome, we see a dinosaur roaming the plains of modern-day South Dakota. Tickles our imagination as we go on a pilgrimage across that great state. The modern-day pilgrim, perhaps driving on an interstate system, is so happy to find a place like Wall Drug, where there's water and coffee aplenty, clean, plentiful bathrooms, and of course, souvenirs. If you're lucky, a cafe with tasty, tasty food. These stops punctuate a long journey. If you've been to Wall Drug, it's possible you've also been to Mount Rushmore or the Pioneer Auto Museum. It's also possible that you were on the way somewhere else. Perhaps you saw the billboards and they led you to the oasis that we know as Wall Drug. But perhaps you knew ahead of time what awaited you. Either way, it's nice to have a stop where we receive hospitality. It's nice to have a place to stretch our legs, to find some nourishment and take a break, even if we're not yet to our destination. Today, I think about those breaks in our life, those places, expected and unexpected, where we find our nourishment, our rest, and where we are greeted by hospitality, sometimes intentional, sometimes accidental. And I give thanks that even when we're not yet to where it is we hope to go, we find places that are blessings along the way. In this Holy Week, we are not yet to the place that we hope to go, the resurrection. And yet we know that story, and we find waymarkers along the way. This is a week to contemplate. What are the waymarkers of our lives? What are the touchstones that give us our places of rest, of nourishment? And how is it that we live our life so that others might find in us and in the faith life a place of comfort, of hospitality, and rest? May your Holy Week be one of journey, of pilgrimage, and may you also find rest.